An intrauterine system, or IUS, is a small, T-shaped device that releases 20 micrograms of levonorgestrel every 24 hours to provide long-term contraception and effectively manage abnormal uterine bleeding. Emeril LNG IUS offers a safe, highly effective, and fully reversible solution. With a Pearl index of 0.1 to 0.2, Emeril is 98 to 99% effective, making it one of the most reliable contraceptive options available. Introducing Emeril LNG IUS, a safe, effective, and long-acting hormonal solution that reduces menstrual blood loss by up to 81%. Designed to address heavy menstrual periods, adenomyosis, fibroids, and menorrhagia, Emeril not only controls the symptoms but also provides long-term relief and improved quality of life for patients. In addition to treating heavy menstrual bleeding, Emeril is highly effective in cases of abnormal uterine bleeding and dysfunctional uterine bleeding, as well as in patients with fibroids and adenomyosis, offering doctors a comprehensive solution for multiple gynecological conditions. Before beginning the insertion, ensure you have all necessary sterile instruments, including Emeril LNG IUS, a speculum, a tenaculum, and antiseptic solution. Place the patient in the lithotomy position for optimal access. Insert a speculum to visualize the cervix, cleanse the area with an antiseptic solution, and stabilize it with a tenaculum for improved control during insertion. Next, use a uterine sound to measure the depth of the uterus. The patient is eligible for IUS placement if the depth is between 6 and 10 centimeters. Open the sterile package and carefully load the Emeril LNG IUS into the inserter. Release the threads from the flange and place the rod into the insertion tube. Holding the insertion tube and the rod firmly at the bottom end where the tube meets the rod, pull the blue threads downward with the other hand to draw the IUS into the tube. The arms should now be in a closed position, with the knobs protruding slightly from the top of the tube. Maintaining a firm pinch of the insertion tube and rod with one hand, move the flange so that the top aligns with the sounded uterine depth. Pinch and hold the lower end of the tube where it meets the rod. Note that the top of the rod should be touching the bottom of the IUS, and the lower end of the tube should align with the first top indent of the rod. Gently advance the loaded IUS insertion tube through the cervical canal. Stop when the flange is about 1.5 to 2 centimeters from the cervix. Do not fully advance the IUS to the fundus or bring the flange to the cervix at this step. Holding the rod still, release the pinch and pull the insertion tube back to the second bottom indent of the rod. Wait 10 to 15 seconds for the arms to fully open. Then, advance both the insertion tube and the rod to the fundus to ensure proper placement. Holding the rod still, pull the insertion tube over the rod all the way down to the ring on the rod. You should feel a slight resistance or pop, indicating that the IUS has been released from the insertion tube. Hold the insertion tube still and remove the rod entirely before withdrawing the insertion tube from the uterus and cervix. Take appropriate measures to cut the blue threads perpendicular to the thread length, leaving about 3 centimeters visible outside the cervix. The insertion of Emeril LNG IUS is now complete. Confirm placement using ultrasound if necessary. Inform the patient that mild cramping may occur and schedule a follow-up appointment in 4 to 6 weeks to ensure proper positioning and patient comfort. Additionally, Emeril significantly reduces the risk of anemia by improving serum ferritin levels by effectively managing excessive menstrual bleeding. Emeril LNG IUS provides a long-term solution for contraception and heavy menstrual bleeding while ensuring patient comfort. Choose Emeril, trusted by doctors, preferred by patients.